Hey guys, Adam Bullock here with the Luczak Group, and today we're in the Ridgeview at Stetson Hills neighborhood, very centralized location right off of Powers in Dublin. And today I'm proud to present you my newest listing. This is 5962 Tympany Point. If you've been keeping your eye out for a townhouse on the north side of Colorado Springs, this is what you've been searching for. This beautifully updated end unit offers 1,615 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. It features 2 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an attached oversized 2-car garage. You're really going to appreciate the larger size and the patio space that comes from having an end unit in this complex, not to mention some of these modern upgrades that have been done, making this home truly move-in ready. As we step inside the home, you have this beautiful newly installed luxury vinyl plank flooring, which spans through the living room and the dining room area, adding both style and durability, while the kitchen features stainless steel appliances, updated countertops, a breakfast bar, and tons of cabinet space, including pull-out drawers in the lower cabinets for added convenience. All the appliances are included with the home, giving you peace of mind and making your move-in just that much easier. Proceeding upstairs, you're going to find a versatile loft space. The carpets have been professionally cleaned and it's ready for whatever suits your needs. It's a great space for a home office, a playroom, or a cozy sitting area, but it really leaves it up to you and your imagination on how exactly you'd like to utilize the space. Accompanying this level, there are 2 large-sized bedrooms which offer plenty of space to unwind and relax. Both of them come fully equipped with their own bathrooms and closets, creating a perfect blend of convenience and privacy. The home also features a whole house fan that was just installed in 2024, providing an energy-efficient way to keep the interior cool and comfortable during the upcoming summer months. The interior of the home has been meticulously maintained over the years, but let's also not forget about the exterior. The HOA takes care of your trash removal, snow removal, landscaping, yard cleanup, but it's really the location itself that gives you access to everything you need just minutes from your front doorstep. Across the street, you have a 5-acre park with a playground and basketball courts. You're right by the Dublin Commons shopping center, which has shops and restaurants. Plus, with easy access to the Powers corridor, commuting and getting around town has really never been more convenient. Thanks for taking the time to check out this home tour video with me today. If you have more questions or would like to see the home in person, reach out to me directly at 571-277-4357 or check us out online at makespringshome.com.